Let's take a look at the Big Five and performance management. Big Five can totally replace the traditional annual employee performance process. Here's how. Employees are required to submit a half-page report to their manager on a monthly basis. The reports detail the employee's 5 most significant accomplishments from the previous month and their 5 highest priorities of the current month. This open and flexible format affords the employees the opportunity to tell their story, communicating anything they consider to be important to their manager, allowing them to take credit for their work. The manager responds to each employee, affirming directly or correcting the employee's activities, shaping efforts towards departmental or corporate goals, and subsequently creating performance documentation. Finally, when collected and combined with over any other 12-month rolling period, these reports paint a much more accurate picture of an employee's overall contribution than the traditional annual appraisal. The Big Five is not an annual process conducted 12 times a year. With Big Five, employees' reports are expected to be concise. Bullet points are not only acceptable but preferred, and only employers in publishing or in editorializing fields will feel the need to deduct for spelling and grammar. The manager's responses can be limited to a simple agree, carry on when appropriate. This is not only efficient, but seems to be effective with many younger workers who are accustomed to communicating in only 140 characters. Managers are certainly free to provide as much detail as they need. They're also encouraged and instructed to use language like, let's talk. We do not appear to be aligned on this priority when required. Employees are limited to 5 priorities, but the number can be proven to be an effective baseline. As a rule, employees are instructed to report no fewer than 3 and no more than 7 priorities per month. Average employees can familiarize or formalize their report in about 10 minutes. Less time is needed as they become more accustomed to thinking about the highest and best use of their time. Most managers spend less than 10 minutes per month per employee, freeing their time to deal with those employees who need additional attention and supervision. Employee Big Fives are due on the 5th calendar day of the month or the first work day thereafter. This emphasis on the number 5 helps to solidify the process culturally. No second-level approvals are required by the manager's manager, and pending issues or ongoing discussions appear for the next month's report. Coaching and documentation has occurred monthly and will continue to occur in an ongoing monthly basis. There's little need for a year-end summary meeting to assign the employee a grade, score, or rank. An organization that's committed to hard-tie performance and annual merit increases can certainly require that managers provide a monthly score for each report. Others have been successful by separating performance discussions with employees from communications regarding pay. Big Five serves both models well. Most HR professionals agree that no performance appraisal process can be successful without a commitment to coaching by management.